I particularly like this news about robotics, especially domestic robotics. Who watched the Jetsons and didn't dream of having a Rosie cleaning and folding laundry, taking care of kids, hearing everything in your house? Let's talk about this. Here's the news. OpenAI's newest humanoid AI robot, the creator of ChatGPT Figure 2, has surprised the world of personal robotics. Have you imagined a future where advanced robots do dangerous work that even the most prepared humans wouldn't do? It's happening in military and companies like Amazon, but what about in your home? How would that work? Comment below if you'd use the new OpenAI robot, Figure 2. Would you put it in your house? What do you think? Interacting with your kids, hearing everything at home. Comment below if you forget to like and share this video link in WhatsApp and Telegram groups so people you care about stay updated on this topic. Agreed? Thanks. Let's continue. Imagine you've just seen a teaser video of a humanoid robot that's catching the tech world's attention. This robot called Figure 2 isn't just any project. It has backing from giants like OpenAI, Nvidia, Microsoft, and even Jeff Bezos' Amazon fund. So what makes it so interesting? The video shows advanced robotic joints and a design that's more eye-catching and flexible, suggesting we're looking at something truly innovative. The company behind this tech, founded in 2022, has already made waves. Their first model, Figure 1, was created in just 6 months. Now with Figure 2, they promise even more advances. The founder, Brad Addick from the company, stated, "This is the most advanced humanoid robot on the planet to date. It's hard not to believe, given their backing." The idea behind these robots is clear: to boost productivity, enhance workplace safety, and interestingly, they guarantee they'll never weaponize their robots. This shows their commitment to ethical robotics. There's even a BMW partnership suggesting we might soon see these robots in action. Notably, Figure 1 has integrated OpenAI's GPT-4, allowing the robot to interact and explain itself. Figure 2's launch is set for August 6th, 2024. We can expect even more tech innovations, but Figure 2 isn't alone in this market. For instance, Tesla is developing its own robot called Optimus, while Nvidia is using cutting-edge tech to train robots through operators. This shows the rapid advancements in the field of humanoid robotics. I've already made a video on Apple Vision Pro and Tesla Optimus. Check it out on the channel. Ask in the comments for the link. It's worth watching that video. And of course, Boston Dynamics keeps innovating. Their Atlas model now uses electric motors to be more accessible and reliable. There's also a video on Atlas on this channel. This competition promises to transform robotics' future. We can't wait to see how these developments will impact our lives and workplaces. So, would you have one of these robots if you could buy it? Comment below. Adding an unplanned note here to deepen our discussion so far, Figure 2's company states that this robot won't be used for military purposes as a weapon or for any military mission. But let's talk about the Strider robot. Have you heard of it? It's created by Oxford Dynamics, a startup in Harvard, Oxfordshire. This robot was specifically developed to work in extremely dangerous environments like chemical, biological, or nuclear threat zones. Too risky for humans. Oxford Dynamics means business. They've already secured a £1 million contract with the UK Ministry of Defence to design and supply these robots. The Strider is impressive tech-wise, with a long, versatile arm that can take readings, collect samples, and retrieve contaminated objects. It also moves on tank-like tracks, allowing it to navigate rough, unpredictable terrain, something that would challenge even a human in protective gear. The company began work on this robot in November with a September deadline to deliver the final product to the Defense Science and Technology Lab. It's getting faster, with just about 10 months from my calculations here to complete. Oxford Dynamics' goal is clear: use Strider in dangerous situations like the 2018 Salisbury incident. In such cases, the robot could handle contaminated objects and safely store them in sealed containers, performing tasks too risky and complex for humans. But that's not all. The company plans to integrate AI software called Aviz into Strider, promising to make it even smarter and more versatile. Founder Chef Sharma mentioned this tech could be adapted for use in submarines or fighter jets in the future. So, if you think about it, this robot will enter a dangerous area to collect samples. Suddenly, there's a gas leak or nuclear incident. It's interesting, but how long until someone adds a weapon? It's tricky to see this tech reach those who truly need it. Oxford Dynamics believes Strider can make a real difference. They're not alone in their excitement. The UK's Department for Environment praised the project's progress, highlighting Strider as a highly capable, flexible platform. It's good for farming. Working 24/7 in plantations would be quite beneficial. Like Figure 2, Strider pushes robotics boundaries. Oxford Dynamics shows how robots can save lives in extreme situations. The future looks fascinating. It'll be interesting to see how these projects evolve, but that's just my take. I really liked Figure 2. It'll be used in industries for heavy lifting, car manufacturing, and there's talk of a home version as a domestic robot, which I definitely use. But the Strider concerns me because I can see them adding weapons like flamethrowers, as we've seen with other robots. But that's just my view. What do you think? Would you have one at home? Would you use it in your business? Should the military get involved? Comment below if you found this interesting. Like, share, and subscribe.